Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to share with you a Michael's haul. I went in and found a few things, so I wanted to go ahead and share with you. So let's jump right on in. I'm going to start with these washi tubes. They were on sale for $5 and I couldn't resist this really cute one. And actually, you know what? I may have picked this up for even cheaper. I can't remember, but I love it. It says dance till you drop. And then it has Out of This World on the bottom and the cute little dogs. And of course it says I'm the good kind of fat and has the avocados. And it goes with the, what is this? I think it's, Cheeky Modern Pop. And I'm sure you guys have seen this. So really cute. So I couldn't resist. Picked that up. I also picked up these stickers. They're the shakers. I believe I picked these up when they were 70% off. And I may have even used a 20% off coupon. I can't remember. I did pick up the food shapes, which I'm sure you all have seen. And then I did pick up this die right here, and I remember using a 50% off coupon, so I can't wait to play with these mermaids. I did pick up this washi tape, and I know this washi tape was $5, and I just love the unicorns and the stars and the iridescent one right there. It's just really pretty, so I had to have that, so picked that one up. I found this pretty bracelet, and I always like getting these bracelets at Michael's, and it was on sale, so I picked that one up. I did pick up these cute little storage bags. They have the popsicles on them, and then the ice cream cones, and I figured I could use these for, you know, summer swaps, and they're just super cute. And I think these were 70% off of $5, so great price there. I did take advantage of the storage sale. Oops, I have one more thing in here. I did get another set of bracelets. I love these bracelets. Aren't they pretty? This one has like the really light pink and gold. Super pretty. So I can't wait to wear those. I did take advantage of the storage sale. It's 60% off. And I picked up a couple of these containers. And this is the information in case you're wondering, but they were only a couple of dollars, and so I picked up a couple for die storage. You know, I have a lot of dies, so need some more containers for dies. And then I also picked up these shoebox, they're shoe boxes, and you get 10 boxes, and I picked this up for 10 bucks. It was on sale, and it comes with the lids and of course the box, and I like it that it's clear so you can see what's in it. So took advantage of that, and then I used a coupon, and I had picked up some more 110-pound heavyweight cardstock. I always like to get this when it's when I can use a coupon and get an additional percentage off, because it's normally $14.99. But I use this all the time because I love making sturdy embellishments. So picked that up in white. I also picked up the Cool Waters, and I love all these colors that are in this cardstock pack. Of course, the purples and the blues are super pretty, so had to have that, and I know that was on sale. I picked up the Cheeky Modern Pop paper pad. I'm sure you all have seen it. I'll just kind of flip through quickly. It's super cute, and it's just fun, and of course it was a great price, so I just went ahead and picked it up. I couldn't resist. Super cute, and I love the foiling on it. And what else did I pick up? I also picked up this mermaid pad, and it's a hot buy, and I'm sure you all have seen this. I didn't pick it up the first go round when they were on sale, but decided I had to have it because, you know, I love purple, so had to pick this one up. And I'm just flipping through it quickly because I'm pretty sure that you all have probably seen this before. So super pretty paper pad. And then I did pick up some glitter, and it wasn't on sale, but I had to have it because I'm working on some projects and I needed these colors. So I got this really pretty mint color glitter. I got some white glitter, and then I got this like rose colored glitter. I got a couple of those. And then I got this lighter pink, really, really pretty. And then I got a 12 by 12 sheet of this white glitter, and it's has a little bit of color to it. It's not like a solid white like this first one that I'm showed. So I picked up the glitter. And I think that is it. Yes, that is my Michaels haul. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.